se sofo bi si wo krom ha pa se ohun adea on kire me de be si wo 5 northern regions no na de bia akra pe ne prophecy wo ada na sofo nyi omu bi church wo so ho onyame na momanya no sese no akra ne kumase pe ene yehu nioma wo ha ene nioma be so ada no me ntise o maka bibia fa Upper West, ya here who be Jabi beto ho, Isio bi beto ho, or Hini Kessie be woo. Me, who's at your man? Church, ye prophecy war. Them in Casa. Say, your prophecy, ye rosary no echi. Oh, Hail Mary, Mother of God, pray for us and that's why we still become one of the biggest congregations in this country. They say Ebenya influence on 31st. They say 31st elections. Oh, election way. Yes. Prophecy. Yes. Said I have no difficulty with prophets. Okay. There be. Okay. Prophets maybe or what. You see, and the question is, how does one become a prophet? You know, sa prophecy. Say me jina ho. Oh, kwesi akwa. Me husa daka hunu bi dawo. Ay, eno never. Me say omunko 5 northern regions honko be sorry. Na enkasa ansem no ho. 31st, ohun de besie and na president Kufuor and na former president be and what is all that? Only Alaji Bawumia nanam. I am vice president. Yes. Vice president Bawumia. Or baby fear all the time. Now, some women, many Macquain, Emma, or woman with you. Any your man may be a cost to study a cowboy better be a B. And until a man of my close to me door, a man for the old door, a battle of Mokako to me and hear you. May chair national one. And to say about a Faka say on G a D for near 2028. May make sure I will ready yes with you. You'll be in election, or pa. Oma yen challenging yen hedi because that's no kind yen dey which means your katetia a deep one nara me there no so na me bodi o me boni pakra o man information mo de shen kom e fa battle o ma me bodi
Owusu Anthony Abayi Fakabo ya oye former MP Edema Laura constituency major NPP ni na afeso wasan senior advisor Edema Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ne campaign team no eno na wakwa akodi nkomo e wasempa ni nyina edefa NPP mo primacy e mba beko ne senior heat no abamu dendende ne senior asofo bi e hye nkom edefa primacy ho enkomodi na Anthony Abayi Fakabo e kyerese wono de se wodi enkom hye gina ho na asofo e hye nkom no wodi wo mu gina ho na wodi wo nso a eye post edefa abato ho gina ho a wono Anthony Abayi Fakabo de wodi wo mu eye post abato mu no edi eche asofo de fi se eye wo politicians no ena di post a wo magada any data wo magada ne science a wo nim edefa amanyosem ho no ekokoma asofo no na wo magina so ede ahyenkom abusu asansem ya wo kan wa amosofo bi edi wo na no si yepe ena asofo pani prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ababontin ababeso so no the response akọ ede ama Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na afi Anthony Abayi Fakabo mo akọ aba ede aba too much gh so message so dey dikenya be me subscribe button so dey achema ya no wakai so dey be on be ka won no upload me to on first person ya won sa ebidika kabusia MPP for primaries na na ni gusu a ekoso den e na afi dey ama hit no abamu na enumu na Anthony Abayi Fakabo ya wo senior advisor edema Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ne campaign team no kokodi nkomo e wo Asempa FM kusi sen abra na obi eti adwuma wodi ni dwuma na busia enkomodi de na Anthony Abayi Fakabo e kyerese watete na wo hu se ne enkomhye so ACAD ahim e wo media ne so edefa NPP for primaries a wo mo e ba beko ho na woni ebi ka edema onabo ken na ebi so e ka edema Dr. Muhammad Bawumia no de wo se wo ka ni prenye fa kire wo se e ye wo politicians no ena de post no any data ekoma asofo no na asofo no edina so ede ahyenkom eti sofo bie no maga na mu ho betimi aka se wa hye apato ho nkoma eye nyame na yi akire no nyame enyi hwefa nkire busia wonye sofo bia enni ne nsem a wo kan yi ama Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah aba beso so na busia ye bekwa kotie prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ne nsem a wo kan no ye ni kan ni ente Anthony Abayi Fakabo se ni osika ansem ne fa ya ama enni prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah aba beso so
elections a yeko enyoma wo beti ene me hu asofo ne bia omo ye prophecy ye wo position ye ne mo polls data no me bo mu din yen
polls data as the foundation for prophecy no
ena me ka kire wo no ye ne di mo bo se ade ne ye hwehwe mu onia asofo ye hwehwe mu ade ne sei ene no polls no economic intelligence unit for the biaba ni na de 51 mo hosa anenti wo de hwe kan be faso a enkomo no be hyehye what is it masa enti am hu
to de ekoso na nye hu
me Anthony Kabo se sofo bi si wo krom ha pa se ohun adea on kire me de be si wo 5 northern regions no Na de bia crap any prophecy wo. Ade na asofo enyi omu bia church wo so ho. Aden omunyina asofo akese obetima abo 5 okroma obi ni branch bia wo so ho onko bia bi hwe masa eti no many bi wo ha.
But for a prophet to go to the extent say or through book a documented prophecy, you know, that should tell you say
bro Mr. I beg you Ajina Sar unim baby o shase.
Yeah, o shase was stream, I know.
Unim sir?
Yes.
Okay.
It's true that nobody or no or stream.
Why prophecy da?
It's true that naba.
Oh, so why kasa prophecy? Why prophecy?
No, menti. Ebi why dia me.
Onye bi. Nyame na monya no sese no. Akra ni Kumasi pe no oni nkrofo kasa o. Nyame na monya no sese no. Akra ni Kumasi pe ene yehu nioma wo ha ene nioma besu. Ade no menti se o maka bibia fa Upper West ya yehu bibi ejabi beto wo ho isuo bi beto wo ho ohini kese bi bewu. Mi hu sa de o ma no. Mi hu da wo bi dia bochire me. Hwe uko Nigeria ye ba be ye election na yi Buhari as president. Ye ko Nigeria o. And you make cause Nigeria in the Christendom no. Jack enye de ye wo Ghana. Ye de ye wo Ghana. Ah na se Buhari ba omo ka se omo mpiri makremoni be di president of Nigeria. Ana reviana. Some guy
it came up, yes.
Na election no oni wan e ko e. Nye ni Christo ni na ko e.
Yes.
Jonathan onye Christo ni.
Oh, Christo ni.
Ekosi say. Mo program. Ekosi wa Bempah FM. Ekosi say. Buhari free wo okoi. En wo kofa Tinubu bae.
Yes.
Tinubu de oya ticket no double ticket o. Ah, yenya sofo akese big pastors wo mo ka se akono oni ade no. Ekosi say. Ekosi say.
E was Bempah
FM. Ghana wam ka kire ye say there's no way obi e wodi 72 be to make the president of Ghana. Any ka kire mo say hey munya butre o Nigeria for yi 72 Mandela free prisoner ba be the president no wodi 72 Biden oba be di akonya no wodi 72 ti yesremo adina mo ka no enye age ne de ko election no e strategy enye de ko election. And to win cross strana, and a be why, and you see, and I will cry by and crown, ni chrome crown, ya and mano. Ah, now at a miss crown of Free Central Region, in the buy 2,000, a fantiphone dignity. Say that was Central Region.
Yes, Western
Region, Silent Cliff, Moodinity. 2004 Moodinity.
No.
And so, appreciative vote to Kakrao. 2008, Moodin buy, NDC force under the buy, no. What was the vote MPP got in Central Region? Most saho nyina allocated corps no da form no mo hihye nyoma afarefu no mo kansem na mesi tuka sa no okoho adi wo fia woye sa na mesi di bedi akonwa no. Enti bi dia na election yi die.
Yes, audio even as a Catholic, no, sir, prophecy in elections.
Now, Catholic Church, yeah, prophecy.
That mean Catholic.
Say, yeah, prophecy, yeah, rosary, no, niyechi. Oh, Hail Mary, Mother of God, pray for us. And that's why we still become one of the biggest congregations in this country. Intermediate, so prophecy, no. Now, see, na beba akra me be hu say abibibi wo sa o.
Be ye adwuma hu.
Pacho.
In elections, ye adwuma hu.
Me die I say womo ejidi no
ohonyini Bawumia say ebenya influence from 31st
me say
31st elections.
Election way.
Yes.
Prophecy.
Yes.
Say denti.
Because prophet back on why consistent, no. Aka say
why consistency.
Aka say can the Japan or say nothing can change. That is how definite it is. So
Charlie,
it cannot change.
Charlie, unim say sa prophecy ya tama 2023 dia no.
Yes.
Oshia wo Kempiski o say.
Yes.
Oh yeah bibi. Say ya edima Alan,
yes.
Omo kasa wo pa o sa tape na bo. E koto abano. Sa so fo no mo santi mi be kasa e. Enti me die she elections e nipa ho adwuma ne e.
Ba polls the OGD.
polls they give you an indication of trends.
Okay.
Say polls the amount trend no.
Okay.
What the trend no nante. Ye nyina no policies say candidate ebe to bibie to mo. Obey polling kakra say this policy will it be popular?
Okay.
Will it be accepted?
Okay.
Will people understand it? Free SHS no enye 2012 near the bayou. Na we kufu do campaign in 2008, but it never made the headlines.
Sure.
2012 any pejamu any the 2016 and a Ghana phone nyina ejitum. Inti I have no difficulty with prophets.
Okay.
There be prophets maybe or what. I see, and the question is, how does one become a prophet?
You see,
that's the problem. That's the problem I have. How does one become a prophet? Because you see, me say,
and if you desire, now prayer center be your fasting be 40 days,
then God will call. You see, that's the problem I have. Anything I may know, Catholic Church, no, Obi Catholic Church, no.
Yes.
You were minor seminary.
Yes.
What you say?
Yes.
Ufri minor seminary. No, I major seminary. No, Uko course no 7 years.
Sure.
First year no obey theology, the amount degree.
Yes.
So you understand the Bible and what it says. You understand the Old Testament and the New Testament. Now I am surprised when I see people preaching the gospel with the Old Testament when the New Testament was an improvement.
Yeah, but I said the Bible is
no, but I'm saying,
so
I'm a student of Christian religious studies.
Okay.
At St. Charles Minor Seminary. I went to a minor seminary.
You almost became a
Roman father. I just missed the call. I didn't get the call. But if I had gotten the call by now, I would have been Reverend Father Anthony Abai-Fakabo.
Of the
Laura Parish. I'm telling you. Me now for my classmates but some couldn't continue because their units got finished at some point. Into by prisons, police, different places. But 1 or 2 be the Reverend Father. And sa prophecy. Say me jina ho kwesi akwa me hu say daka hunu bi dawo eno never me say omu ko 5 northern regions won be sorry na enkasa ansem no ho. You will understand why I say what I say. And I'm telling you that Fountain Gate, it has existed for the last 30 plus years, but that man has never dabbled in prophecy. Ajinastari, he started in Tamale. My senior sister attended his church. You know your friend Brother Charles, who can sorry a Katie rest house, who you and some were onye prophecy that mean this is papa na ka say I prophesy and na mehu 31st ohun die besie and na president Kufuor and na former president be and what is all that obi ukwa brochria so for be any not even Joel Austin TD Jakes can sit on a national TV and say that I prophesy that this will happen. Yesterday he'll be arrested. He will be arrested. But in Ghana here emudaho ebikura to radio station ebikura wo TV station aye broadcasting more
abusia wei ane someone Anthony Abai-Fakabo ekaye na no na mpinifo say paya fase na prada if se pra wo ni afase wo fa nyehwe eti se wafase yira na wo paya emfa ne ho eti wo mpie kura ma bonti bebisa sa afase no ye na de to ye ana say ye den na yira edu ti Ghana fo se wo mo adwuru wo pa se someone Anthony Abai-Fakabo kaye wa mosofo bi edi na so yomowa se sofo pani prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah aba bonten aba besoso na eno na prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah chese ewiase enipa ba kope ene kodi mfa ene efre wo nyina fantefo edi nse yeso ya abra Anthony Abai-Fakabo kasa no wo se asofo wo Ghana hanyina wono prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah sebe wonya dwuntuni wonchro book ana woni agro wo ye sofo it is a wo kasa na se wo kasa asofo Ghana hanyina da na de se waka e dia friend na ho akohia se wo so ba bonten no be no ho ano na no na wo kire se Anthony Abai-Fakabo se wo ni sofo bi ani a ono de oni problem 2028 sini awieye ene ebe ho chale wo na ho se ampa ye wadifo ene ye wadifo na ye wadifo so a wo mu se hini tu hini e wo man Ghana mu sei ene wo de nsam ne ko ya wo kire se Dr. Muhammad Bawumia krampo no sa brede ono prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah and na was stop on say the fear crowd is soon ma wo ma hobim e de no ye
ni say you being the first prophet who responded to Sasemi, it may entrench a man for perception ni views say ebia na woni nipa na o ka ho asem no ana
debio so kan de say adifo ni na woni se wono woni wadwuma ntu ye specific so betimi abo adifo ko ni din
yes
tanko bo adifo ko ni din anka me
and how mekasa
me kasa da ba wa mo adifo ko ni din ni de let's say you can not say adifo a ye chen ko mu na o Ghana ha because ye specific kaso on you adifo PN or you're specific.
Yes.
I mean, responding. I like Bawumia Nam. I am vice president.
Yes.
Vice president Bawumia.
Yes.
Bawumia also said it. Or baby fear all the time. Now, saying Bumina, mainly my crime, and my own baby fear. Or baby fear, the wife baby fear, women on baby fear. Now, cry or Casaro, what baby fear that?
None of my crime on my fear you.
Oh, Mimi Mum dear. Ya me ni ya manya be a cost to say you can be better be ye and until a man of my close to me do a man for the old do say ya make us let me say ya Bawumia and on ya made the Ghana kunya be manua never on Shabeka by Yamin can't me
in 31st January dear
Sanko Funi be some of vampire pa the ama said the MPP want to say Bawumia and crop or me because Abronya between no di abuso patem enkofo bebre di akem ediane de kabo between ma opiken oh na wo kipa we ya na wo samba me ntia na wo ne obi a wo no peso otu franka MNPP mo samba me ntia sa me mompa ma mo menye
so for not just 31st January dia e beba so no nyame nka bibia nkyere wo mfa ho
opani me de be di nkunim but me nka because me honey nyame
eno no uni ma say nyame
abato no mukwa kotu me nyame o me twa national one no enti say eba ifaka bose onji adifo ni a 2028 me kire e wawrade Yesu din mu de obewi ni election no opa oma yen challenge ni yen hwede bisi
so for on 31st you know say unim de obewi na ye nim na unim na say nyame na yi a kire which is way
nyame ya kire me aminim ba me nyama de se meka because o mo yi no mo koye no 777 radio say me try national one no because me say me one pa bobi bosses ni am me body support me man pani ono ti Ghana kunya so a obu oman no enti pa bobi ya e fata so say ye boma no e na me boma no ti me say me de mi ona me bom pa ya ma no enti 77 me try national one no
and as a national one so for primary series no mudi yi nipa oba be gina national one no enti
enti de obu ko yimra so mu kwa ko yi omu ko yimra omu ko yi ba 2028 temi akiri eno na mema kabo ehunu say you di for Ghana eno na nyame be na meswa che de obedi nkunim e wo sa abatu no me be si bibia fintimi sesa no because as no kan ya ne de which means your katetia adifo nyinara enti kama ka se ko betimi abodi nko bodi a ami osu me pa me so so
ma me kasa
but say what can find de na ke se nyina ka hu bi eti mama me yi anu a obi be kine se adan ayodifo osu Bempah adan ayodifo atmasi ayodifo atmasi ana enti o ma me bodin me de no so ma me bodin o me boni pakra o ma information no de shenkom e fa abato o ma me bodin
we ene ne ekwaso ya ema prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ede na no didi ana se ne response aba ede akwama Anthony aba ifakabo ne bi na Ghana for HSA we di se ne prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah aba bonte abese nsumi so de ene na enye konye no se na Anthony aba ifakabo eka se asofo bi wo pa wo mo na de post ko mo na se kamya ye se nukura bi ye pie e de afrim fu se ne sofo aba wo yi ensem wa no ye friend wa asem no so de we na se wo no akasa e na aba be yi ne ho ano Ghana for nsem a wo mo kan bi na busu me dey ababeso no message won so beja wo de e wo comment section ho e dey am all the social media handles no e too much gh o subscribe like and wa share na for so in the biashobidin e the dark code be sensia